one side until the landslide in a Masicka, but nobody make we have to choose side, brother, because I tell you, you not go work out in your favor.
Rich and, never care who are rich and me. Rich and, she's a bitch.
Somebody say one king. Somebody say one king. One king. Say one king. One king. Say one king. One king.
When Masicka say, and me are the baddest thing, toughest thing, you have to say it in a Masicka, but you have to convince we say you are the toughest thing.
Me not beg no credit for no boy, no time at all. Me a one boy, me hold one every time.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nandi. You know it's your boss, Nandi, and I building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So, you know, me have some topics for share with you guys, and as it pertains to Masicka and Vybz Kartel in the media, and also Beenie Man, because we saw where Beenie Man went to a concert in New York, and he was saying that one king. Him asked the crowd to say one king, and the crowd was saying one king. I guess Beenie Man acknowledged the fact that Vybz Kartel has been crowned at Reggae Sumfest the king of the dancehall. Beenie Man now really recognize that. So me have that clippings for share with Uno. And me have a clippings with Foota Hype speaking on Masicka's performance at the Reggae Sumfest, and he's saying that Masicka been a say him at the baddest thing, but him not see Masicka engaging in a clash, and Masicka lost confidence, or Masicka not have confidence because him a perform, and Masicka now looking at the crowd when him a perform, where when him a DJ, him a looking at the mic. So he's saying that Masicka always a say him at the baddest thing, but Masicka now really prove it say him at the baddest thing. Him want or him yet to see Masicka prove that. So me have that clippings with Foota Hype, Beenie Man, and some clippings with some other content creators over youth, over Instagram. I speak on the whole conversation about Masicka and Josh's style in Vybz Kartel. And you know how Gaza fans them and some of the lovers of dancehall music speak highly about Vybz Kartel. So me have some clippings and some highlights I want to share with you. But before we go into it, I want to make sure so you like, subscribe, and share, and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. You see me? So without further ado, let's just jump right into the topic. You know it go already, man. A mad thing. So the first video I want to share with you know the Foota Hype clippings with him speaking about Masicka's performance, and Masicka saying he's the baddest thing, and also he was speaking about the Joshi DISS to Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel's king crown there. So listen to what Foota Hype have to say, people.
You still a perform, and I see a lack of confidence. You are the artist thing, you know, but you still a show lack of confidence. This is the microphone. You are DJ. When you talk to the crowd, you look on them so. Take off my glasses. You look on them so. When you start, all me need are the careful and just a bad driver. You look in at the microphone so. When you talk to them, you look so, you know. But when you are DJ, you know, you are looking at the microphone, so you have to look so in the face. All me need is a car and just a bad driver. Have the matic by my waist, and me no care neither. Pussy violate, head I whoop my wide harder. And we shoot them, raise it. Make it crowd lift. Tap look in a microphone, so brother. Tap look in a microphone, so. Then when you go so again, you intro again. Are you ready for the lyrics now? So what we do? Fuck up. Yeah, look pan boom boom. What we do? Fuck up foreign. Fuck up yard. And you run sideways. Stop do that. Stop do that. Hold your microphone so. Look in a crowd. And then you deal with. Yo, some face what we do? Fuck up foreign. Fuck up yard. Range up in like a jug. Lord. Push the words for the people them. Project it for the people them. Your hand act like you juke them in them eye. You're too relaxed. Even when you say you jump, you're not jump. You're not jump with effort, bro. When Masicka say, and me are the baddest thing, toughest thing. You have to say it in a Masicka, but you have to convince we say you're the toughest thing. You get the opportunity to do it when your eye don't kick off, you not do it. I know you know say I don't name out of your mouth. Your governor have a little thing when you know say governor name out of your mouth. See? You have the opportunity to do it with alkaline. You not do it. One night at some fest, somebody offend you. Talk who offend you, man. Unleash you. Unleash the man. Project your badness, no bad man. Where you come tell we? Say some boy around with you, so we don't know which boy. A 1 million boy in a some fest. So we tell we about some boy and them bad mind. We know who you attack. Yes, people bad mind, people who you attack. You think say some boy could have ramp with Beenie Man, Bounty Killer, or Movado, or some fest. And you don't hear it on the stage or who them are ramping? You're a madman. You're a madman. As much as Popcorn and a war artist, you know see all out wait him there. I'll promote and get a suck your mother. You're a ramp Masicka, man. Masicka, me tell you this. Because remember me ain't a talk on the phone, me ain't a bridge. But me I tell you, you have the place in your hand miggle about 4 or 5 years ago, you know. And you still hold back your own self, you know, bro. How? I'm going indirect war, you can do brother brawling out your thing. Deal with your badness, brawling. The way you vex one man, you're supposed to do up there, bite up yourself and diss a boy or a girl. What you mean? The thing say, nobody at some face could have ramp with Beenie Man or Bounty Killer or Movado or Popcorn, Panashure, and then they get this brawling. You must be crazy, man.
Viewers and subscribers, what do you think about what Foota hype say? Share your thoughts in my comment section and let me know what you think where he must say. But what I say is that, what I understand is that when back then when Masicka did a gun off a eye donor, Masicka never really have a career like that. Masicka career never really bust or big like that. Even though him did a send shots off at Donia and Donia did a shade him at the same time, I can definitely say. Back then Donia and Masicka, them did a shade one another in a song and so forth. You know, Jenna that and Ray. But what I understand is that Masicka now have a career and now Alkaline did a shoot off him and Alkaline a shoot off him. Watch this. Masicka never did have a career now. So when him did a shoot off of the artists them back then, the artists them now really give him the attention because him just need to get him career up there, him just need to bust and Ray. Now that him bust now and Alkaline did in him prime shoot off of him. Masicka never want to answer because him get a look career now and now him not really answer. So at that I think people have over Masicka, you know. Masicka afraid to engage in a clash. I don't know why if him think him will lose. And me not understand. Because clash no make you lose, you know. Clash only build you and clash only sharpen your lyricism. Because he squash the Alkaline did clash. And squash them squash lose the clash, but him still triumph and find big songs. So I don't understand why Masicka wouldn't engage in a clash, but that's just my opinion. Maybe him just don't want to engage in a clash, but for constantly saying that you're the baddest thing, you have to prove yourself. You can't just say you're the baddest thing and not prove yourself. And knowing that now it look like him a disrespect Vybz Kartel or him disrespect Vybz Kartel on stage, and Gaza fans them come out and attack against him, now at the time for him really man up and show him true capability. I will know say him have a song come out named Scope, but let's see where him have up him sleeve, let's see where him have go on with, because him definitely have to prove himself, and that people are really wait pan. But me have another clippings with Vybz Kartel a shade Masicka, cause I definitely Masicka him a shade. When Masicka did come on some place and say, you know, I'm rich already, I'm bad, I'm rich and Ray. Vybz Kartel in a video singing Pablo YG richer and richer, but he was adamant and he was elaborating what they call it now. He was emphasizing on the B word. So listen to what Vybz Kartel have to say, people.
Bad Juve in town. Rich and never care who are rich and me. Rich and she's your bitch. Yeah, bitch.
Me don't know what to think about that now. No, let me know what you think about that, because it look like the Vibes Cartel badness gone on Instagram. Him nah do the studio thing, because remember him say him stop sing Gunman song now. Who knows if he might go back in the studio and sing some Gunman song, because dancehall need that. And Vibes Cartel, a lyrical artist, now take that from him. Him have the capability and him can write gun lyrics. And him can write lyrics overall, but I don't know what to think about that now. You guys let me know if you think say, shade Masicka, or, and then again, at the next thing, I wonder if this is a plan thing, because remember, Vibes Cartel was once on stage in, I think it was Atlanta or New Jersey, saying that when him realize, when him discover Masicka, he say Masicka one of the baddest artists, and him think that him and Masicka go clash or go at it. So, I don't know, I kind of feel like it's a planned clash or a planned beef or whatever, something orchestrated, but let me know what you think in the comment section.
Yeah, one side until the landslide in a Masicka, but nobody make we have to choose side, brother, because I tell you now, go work out in your favor.
So, me have one of them Gaza creator, content creator who goes by the name Malabri, and him a one Masicka, and him a tell Masicka say, him understand say Masicka have him own gang and him own camp on one side till the landslide, but him a make Masicka know say, yo, when it comes to the test, them I go pick them side, and a Gaza, them I go say, you know him a Gaza man, so him a tell Masicka say, yo, Masicka, you have to be careful what you are doing, because you see, the ties where you have with Gaza fans and Vibes Cartel, it all cut from you if, this the Gaza boss. So, listen to what Malabri have to say, viewers and subscribers, because Beenie said this, Masicka have a lot of Gaza support and a Gaza fans that support him. So, if him cut ties with the Gaza, and this the Gaza, what I go be already, it will cause a dent in him career, or it will go show. So, listen what him have to say.
Yeah, one side until the landslide in a Masicka, but nobody make we have to choose side, brother, because I tell you now, go work out in your favor. And I just my understanding of music. Is what I go work out in your favor, my general. This what I say, yeah, because you are going now. Cartel now have the time to take up a clash, so the pushing of that energy there, nah go on. No matter who the guy. Man, we have name a call more than fear try. This is where I come from. So that now go happen for you. The only thing it going to lead to a division in the camp. And enough of genocide fans them, a Gaza fans believe one whole heap of genocide fans them are rooted Gaza fans. So nobody make we have to choose, brother. Do me I beg you. We respect and we rate Masicka too much now if you go flitter up Masicka you know. You see what I say? Yeah, we rate and respect you too much right now if you go have to go flitter you up. You see me I say, bro? Yeah, but yo, just do the right thing, my friend.
And this is the problem now, You see, when you have an allegiance to another camp or another side, anytime chaos or war or anything for start, it will cause a big division. And it will show, and if you're link at the weakest link in the war when the war for start, and you are going to falter. So Masicka, in regards to him, if him have anything with Vibes Cartel, or if him decides say, yo, him want to branch off on him own, because it's understandable. Vibes Cartel did left the alliance and him did come under heavy backlash and him did have to run to Beenie Man, and Beenie Man did take him up in the arms and give him him first number one, which is best specialist. And then from there, Vibes Cartel go on to build him own thing, and him went to the empire for with Devabrat, and therefore him start the Gaza and so forth. So with Masicka now, if him decide say, yo, him a cut ties with all Gaza because him want to build film thing the right way, because one thing, it's good to weed out all of the ones them when are really loyal to the thing right through or halfway loyal to the thing. So I understand if Masicka's saying, yo, him want to branch off, him want to do him thing because him want to be the next king in a dancehall, but it will cause a ripple effect, and definitely Masicka have to know where I do, and me get where the dog I say. Masicka just have to know where I do.
People, I want to say genocide of Gaza. Remember when KARTEL just forward? Me a drive. Remember when KARTEL just forward from jail? Think I'm first interview. When they ask him who I'm top 5 lyricists in a dancehall. And him name out 4 man first. In the first part of the interview with Weezy. And then the next party end up name out Masicka last. You see me? From this time I kind of feel like Masicka pre-KARTEL, Because all along during them time when KARTEL are road, they never really see Masicka and KARTEL link up it. Remember, KARTEL give Masicka one of the biggest songs them and co-side Masicka, give Masicka one big break, you know, when KARTEL are prison, you know. So when KARTEL come out and KARTEL keep Freedom Street, they make one local promoter and tell us you can't perform on KARTEL show. When if KARTEL never get a big song there, maybe that same promoter that would want to book you. For that's why we can say Masicka kind of shit KARTEL, you know. And bro, a long time it take for KARTEL and Masicka link up. And I can look upon body language, bro, never seen genuine, bro. I don't know for me alone. I mean, I pray from KARTEL, from the whole Chuck Show thing, I pray say Masicka really fully read KARTEL, you know. Brother, none of them artists never got to KARTEL come from prison. None of them sorry, because them things that them did go get the game for run and control and say, yeah man, I'm the man. I'm the dad and say, yo, free KARTEL and right, the Gaza fans, them fan base, said way. You see me, a Masicka, one of them artists in my eyes. I don't feel like Masicka did fully read KARTEL. That's why that jump off here happen so I make Joshy take the bait and start KARTEL. You know, him not say it out of him own mouth, because I still want to have the Gaza fan base to feel him things said way. So people, genocide or Gaza.
Viewers and subscribers, don't you think Masicka a coward for what him do? Because a lot of people out here are saying, have Joshy make it clear and make it evident, say a Vybz Kartel, them a DISS on stage. So, you don't think a coward, Masicka coward, why him never do it himself and make it known, say, either Vybz Kartel or whatever? Because I'll know, after a lot of people are saying, Masicka no post up Vybz Kartel in regards to giving him credit or, you know, celebrate him being crowned king of the dancehall. So people definitely are speculate and I say, yo, it look like a fall out the dog, them really fall out for true. So only thing say, a Masicka coward why him never do it himself by, you know, calling whosoever this him on a black stage. But me know only think in the comment section because me don't know. Masicka, me say Masicka a bad artist lyrically, no, but him not the baddest thing. Although him attack and say him the baddest thing, him not prove himself to say him the baddest thing. Him never going on a clash like real clash, like some real gladiator, like artists were up there with him like a Alkaline or, you know, the Idonia and the Skeng them, because you see where him run from Skeng to, you know. But let me know what you think in the comment section.
Somebody say one king. Somebody say one king. One king. Say one king. One king. Say one king. One king. Say one king.
So Beenie Man had a concert in New York. I think it was a free concert. And he was on stage asking the crowd to say one king. And the crowd was responding just as so. They must say one king. Every time Beenie Man say one king, them say one king. Boy, it look like Beenie Man not acknowledge the fact that Vybz Kartel was crowned king of dancehall at Reggae Sumfest, Jaja God. So it is clear to say that we have three king in a dancehall because none out of the man them not acknowledge, none of them say them are king, you know. Yellow Man, King Yellow Man, never acknowledged Beenie Man being the king or saying that he is the king of dancehall. And now Beenie Man not acknowledge the fact that Vybz Kartel has been crowned the king of the dancehall. Here's the thing. All three artists did them thing in a them era. King Yellow Man, him did it, him put the thing to the forefront on a different level. Beenie Man come follow suit and do the same thing, put the thing on another level with all of the accolades them and so forth where him achieve and places and things where him do in Nigeria. Not take that from him. Now it's Vybz Kartel being the one dominating the space of dancehall by, you know, doing the stage shows and stuff like that. Even though him not have the accolades them for prove, he may have a one gold and a one silver, that is just it. But you know what, Vybz Kartel I do it now and him dominate him a sell out shows, which is the new thing right now. The new, everybody have them own little thing where them do in a them era. See Vybz Kartel now, him lyrical, him a dominate with songs, and him a sell out shows. Now, him not really have no hit songs but right now, but him have songs in him catalog where really mash up the place and dominate. So at that now, him a really dominate with. So, me not gonna take nothing from all the artists them, but Jano, the man them dethrone Beenie Man the wickedest way, the worst way ever, till Beenie Man just can't do nothing about it because, you know, Beenie Man fans them all like him and big like him. Now Vybz Kartel have both young and old fans, so it's just kind of critical for Beenie Man really go up against Vybz Kartel right now. It's just crazy, Jano.
KARTEL, you make them trick your blood clot, tell you say, oh, that no good. Because them no want nobody else in high space, you fool. Them trick you. Joshy, them trick you. Come to that, me call you, me DM me and tell you, you know. Say, your silk boss need to go at it. This is how dancehall work. KARTEL do it. Any man else no do it, you know. All you see them a blood clot go on and I worry about the little money where them a make or whatever, what them a do. them nah go be no king. If we not do the right thing, if we not clash and have no beef in the right way, and have uncle to be subliminal and not call nobody name, we not go be no king round here. I tell you now, I promise you that. We not going to be no king. One king. After cartel, there will be no more king.
See me, I show the viewers and subscribers where the people them that there where they say clash culture dead and there will be no more clash. See, at this them I use against Masicka now, you know. Masicka not engaging in a real clash. Now them I use against him. I say, if you're not going on a clash, you can't be knocking around here. I say, enough of they I said in the live stream when they did and I say, yo, them can't be knocking. All I see them a throw subliminal and attacks and the baddest thing. Them can't be knocking if them not going on a clash. And that I reach Masicka now. We be not said this in a Masicka. You get the chance for going on some clash, even with Alkaline. Alkaline has sent so much shots at you and you play this level scared, so you're up on the next level and you know make no boy hot again and ray and blah and see now I hit them I use against Masicka viewers and subscribers because Masicka I say him a this and him a that and him can't prove it and I that the same thing where Foota hype I say I same thing Nuffy I say.
Nuffy me know say you vent the other day no Nuffy. But Nuffy me know. And me think you know to say Vibes Cartel I go check you upon one day. Nuffy, me understand your venting on Nuffy. Don't get me wrong. Me fully understand where you vent, boy. Me get it. But me know Vibes Cartel never did really want you come out, come move that type of way upon the media. So me feel like Vibes Cartel I go check you, even though I know you're upset. And me understand why you're upset. Me I'll tell you why. We all know the Vibes Cartel rate Masicka. And as much as we want to take it, Vibes Cartel already know say it maybe things are going to change, but at this very moment, Vibes Cartel already know say I don't know that film to you them come run dancehall. If I need a king for crown, I know none of him to you them right now based on how I see things. If them improve along the way, then things can change. But right now, it is not even popcorn. Vibes Cartel know that. Two artists Vibes Cartel have when no say would I go come run dancehall if him fi put on it and a Skilly Bang and Masicka. Vibes Cartel is a try to keep Masicka close enough because Vibes Cartel knows say Masicka is one of the baddest and Vibes Cartel say to time out. Vibes Cartel know. You see me? But when Masicka say him is one of the baddest, me think, you see Gaza fans, who know something else, you know. Who know something else. Vibes Cartel pass bodies. Vibes Cartel pass all of them there. Me tired to tell people, Vibes Cartel is dancehall. So that is no comparison in Vibes Cartel when Masicka say I'm the baddest artist around here. Nothing wrong with that. Masicka, me hope somebody send this to Masicka, you know. Masicka, don't make the little dirty thinking Gaza fans them. We are no Gaza citizen. The little refugee them, the one them upon green card and we run off illegal in the Gaza nation. Come dry out and make you this Vibes Cartel. Masicka, don't take the bait. No make them little dirty thinking when you come dry out, make you come this Vibes Cartel. Masicka, don't say nothing. Because all know me not hear you this Vibes Cartel, Masicka. Masicka, all know I don't hear you say a word to your mouth and this Vibes Cartel, Masicka. Jashi, you say something what we could have said this Vibes Cartel. But all know me not hear Masicka come out, come say nothing for me saying this Vibes Cartel. So Masicka, don't take the bait. And Nuffy, me know you're upset. But Vibes Cartel I go check you. Me know. Vibes Cartel have to check your MC Nuffy.
Here's the thing what I think, bro. You see what Nuffy do? Nuffy never did for do that because it just reveals that Nuffy and most of the people around Vibes Cartel have up the whole of the artists them in thinking so the artists them not like Vibes Cartel or not glad for sister Vibes Cartel get the crown king of dancehall and so forth. The way how Nuffy come out brawling and bull, it just proved to me say Nuffy are one of the most corrupted person in a dancehall. Cause the way him come out strong for Masicka and this Masicka and Jashi Anna say a long time him been a tell Vibes Cartel say some of them pussy hole and like you just proves to me say Nuffy are one of the most corrupted person in dancehall. Because in the fact that him cannot think all of them things that Jano, it just proves say a lot of sus are going behind closed door about the artists them and who not grateful for Cartel and this and him that and how him come from prison, them not grateful for him. So it just proves that, and definitely him even has said the artists them not congratulate Vibes Cartel say him get king of the dancehall or him a king of the dancehall. Every artist are them own man, every artist are stand up for them career, every artist have for them career for deal with, and I like say no man. And I like to got any man a Vibes Cartel protege. Vibes Cartel protege a Popcorn and some other person who are affiliated with the Gaza. So the man them no need to come out and acknowledge and congratulate Vibes Cartel if them want. It's just a gesture. If them want to do it, them do it, but them not have to do it. But this just proves that Nuffy have up the whole of the artists them. And him a influence Vibes Cartel, him a sus in a Vibes Cartel ears, and I tell him a bagger mix up. Anybody will love bring mix up a corruption.
And we run mobile. We say Sienna, we say Canterbury, we say Rose. See you looking at mobile. The dog starts sell white stole like office over. Hot high kitchen down. 17 shows. And I beg no credit for no boy, no time at all. Me a one boy, me one every time.
The only thing left for Masicka do right now a clash, dog, because he might find the songs them, but the brave up part and saying him are the baddest thing and not going into a clash just proves that Masicka a coward, and a lot of people see it and a lot of people attack out here because of that them are used against Masicka, you know. So Masicka are same are the baddest thing and him not going in no clash, him no clash nobody, and him dep on a farm right now and him a play this level scared, but at deep down him saying him are the baddest thing, him can't prove himself because remember, you know, Skeng diss him up, you know, and Alkaline diss him up, you know. A lot of artists diss him up, but Skeng and Alkaline are two top artists other than Masicka in a game with some other artists. So the fact that Masicka say him are the baddest thing and man a gun off him head and him not engage or him not, you know, going at it, show say yo, him just a show some weakness or some coward because you can't say you're the baddest thing. Is it that a cartel him want to go up with or a cartel crown him want to take off him head and clash?
Some wake up to a video with Nuffy express himself about Vibes Cartel situation and everything we go on at some face. And the king and him something there. Nuffy, I agree with most of the things them what you say, but not everything. Because more you remember say, I own a crown Vibes Cartel, the king of dancehall. So you can use phone yourself and phone crew and Gaza fans as the mass. But I not debate and warp on that. Yes, Vibes Cartel come from prison and come kill Afrobeat and come put dancehall back on a level. But dancehall was always there. Vibes Cartel only bring it back to DISS as a hardcore dancehall artist. And listen to the words I use, a hardcore dancehall artist. Because Shaggy and Sean Paul been a do it. But because the Jamaican space and diaspora don't recognize them as a dancehall artist. So when Vibes Cartel come do with them, though, it's more impactful because people connected to Vibes Cartel and Vibes Cartel connect to the streets more than a Sean Paul and Shaggy. I break that down and left it there so. When you say you don't see no other king after Vibes Cartel, I disagree with you. Because Vibes Cartel is a good artist, put in a whole heap of work. But I also have an artist by the name of Popcorn. When Vibes Cartel reaching a stage when he can't go up on stage no more, there's going to be another king. And a Popcorn is going to be the king of dancehall. Because the same like how Joe and Scatter and all of when they organize and crown Vibes Cartel, I see them way them going to organize and crown Popcorn. Because Vibes Cartel is not way bigger than Popcorn. And anybody who know music would not know that. The same stage where Vibes Cartel go up and perform, Popcorn can go up on the same stage there and have the same reaction and even bigger reaction too. I remember saying Vibes Cartel no perform all now upon a bands. From him come from prison. But because I'm health situation, people bypass that. But don't count out Popcorn. Popcorn is going to be the next king of dancehall. You say not see nobody. Yeah, don't for them young artists, them lazy, them now don't know work. But don't left out Popcorn. You see, Popcorn is very impactful in a dancehall. Because when Cartel they are prison, a Popcorn a pull the crowd. And a Popcorn a do it. Same like with Spice. Spice not have no competition when it comes to the queen of dancehall. And Shensia can never be the queen of dancehall. Reason why, we now make no woman, we can talk to them and take fucking on them body, and I tell the woman them, tell the girl them say, yo, them are 10 man for fuck, she want 10 man fuck her and them something there. She not represent the culture, she represent dancehall. So she will be the queen of slut. No disrespect to Shensia, but more like, me want to repeat upon what you say, you do. And all the person who were close to Spice would have be Pampute. Pampute, because Pampute can perform, Pampute can do everything. And there's one thing Pampute shorter, and it hits them like where Spice have. No other female artist couldn't be the runner-up for a queen of dancehall. Unless it would have been Pampute, but Pampute haven't put in enough work as a Spice in terms of the hits them and everything. But no mean say other artists will compete with Spice. And Shensia can't come nowhere near Spice. So, on the check what I say. So Nuffy, majority of things them what you say me agree to. But when you say no see no other king for dancehall after Vybz Kartel, you're wrong. Popcorn are gonna be that next king.
Viewers and subscribers, who do you think I gonna be the next king? Share it in the comment section and let me know what you think. Who do you think I gonna be the next king? Who are the runner-up? Is it Masicka? Is it Popcorn? Is it Skillibeng? A lot of people are call a lot of names in the middle of this whole king argument. Who is next in line for king, you know? Me hear Manala say Masicka now go get kingship until 27 years, you know. So, Jano, let me know in the comment section. Who do you think I gonna get the next king? But you know, we're at the end of the vlog. You know, go already, man. Vibes and inside with Nando. You know, a mad thing. I'm out. Peace.